In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off passcode lock on Telegram quickly and safely. If you've been using Telegram desktop and you no longer want that extra passcode prompt every time you open the app, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is perfect if you're on a private computer, if you're tired of entering the code repeatedly, or if you just want quicker access to your chats. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, because the settings we're changing will apply to the account currently logged in on this device. Once Telegram is open, look to the top left corner of the app and click the hamburger menu icon. This is the three-line menu that opens Telegram's main navigation options. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the main settings area, where you can control your account, notifications, chats, and privacy options. Inside Settings, find and click Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps most of its protection and access controls, including passcode settings. Now scroll until you find the Security section. Under this section, you'll see an option called Local Passcode. Click on Local Passcode to open the passcode lock settings. Telegram will ask you to enter your current passcode first, so type it in carefully and submit it. This step is required to prove that you're authorized to make security changes. Once your passcode is accepted, you'll see the option to disable it. Click Disable Passcode. Telegram may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm that you want to turn it off. After you confirm, the passcode lock will be removed from Telegram desktop, and the app will no longer ask for that code when you open it. That's it. You've now turned off the Telegram passcode lock on desktop. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can always return to the same security menu and set it up again. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next tutorial for more quick fixes and easy app guides.